Hi guys and welcome to the channel. My name's Mariella and the channel's In the Kitchen with Mariella. Today's daily devotion is August the 13th. I am alive. Such love has no fear because perfect love expels all fear. If we are afraid, it is for fear of punishment, and this shows that we have not fully experienced his perfect love. 1 John 4:18. Fear rears its ugly head in lots of ways. The spider waiting in your bathtub, the high bridge you pass going to your favorite park, the loud noise outside your bedroom window in the middle of the night. Fear can be gripping, paralyzing, or terrifying for some. For others, it is motivation to conquer weakness. Jesus' followers has one such worry. What would happen on Judgment Day? Was Jesus' death enough to cover their sins completely and guarantee their eternity in heaven? John points out their fear as one of punishment. But there isn't room for fear alongside perfect love. If we are abiding in the love of Jesus, then we have perfect love in us. Fear must be surrendered. God, thank you that there is no fear in love. I embrace your perfect love today and walk without fear. The nighttime devotion. We must surrender to the truth that sets us free. Jesus died and is now alive. So our sin is dead and we are alive. Death, sin, and fear have been overcome. We can choose not to be afraid. Instead, living with the resurrection in mind, Jesus has overcome it all. We have nothing to fear and no more debt to pay. Heights and spiders and enclosed spaces might still quicken your heart, but you can rest easy in his perfect love, now and for all eternity. The question of the day: what can you train yourself to bask in the love of God? I'm going to use an example here. I'm not afraid of thunderstorms. But over the last couple days, it has been storm after storm after storm. And there have been a couple of times that when it thundered, it was so loud, so long, that it scared me. Now, I'm trying to keep Buddy calm and, keep him calm to where he's not freaking out because of the thunder. But that's hard to do when it even scares you and you're not afraid of it. And at those times, I would just say a prayer and, God, please calm these storms down. Because I knew they were just storms. But when they happen like that in the middle of the night, I understand why Buddy gets so scared, especially after dark, because you can't see what's happening. And yes, I am one that is afraid of the itty bitty spider in the bathtub. I don't know how many spiders I have drowned because I ain't getting in the bathtub with them. You're going down the drain before I ever get in that bathtub. But yes, God does have the perfect love. He has. Hey. He has the perfect love for me and for you. I want to thank you all for watching the video. If you would, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my video. He's barking because, once again, it's only supposed to be raining. And why is there a clap of thunder? Hey! Remember, don't let anybody steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.